Angelos, I want you to prioritize hunting the Eldar. Do not get distracted by the Orks. Inquisitor out.
Greedy fool just wants the spear. The Ork threat will intensify the longer we ignore it.
As tempting as it is to do the opposite of the Inquisitor's wishes, Kyr must not obtain the Spear of Khaine. There's a quiet power sleeping in this planet. If that is the spear, I shudder to think how powerful Kyr will be while wielding it.
How do you suggest tracking them? The Eldar are like ghosts.
That is why we will hunt Gorguts. Orks leave an obvious trail. And as an Ork, Gorguts will seek out a powerful opponent to battle.
With his large horde, he will be able to search far and wide.
And find Kyr for us.
The Eldar call this territory the Vault. Supposedly it's a gateway that leads below to Acheron's true surface, where the spear is enshrined.
And the Orks just so happen to make their camp here.
We are ready for war.
Our hammers do your bidding.
Chap marching there now.
Moving now.
Yes. Forging ahead. Yes. Forging ahead.
Shoot!
Our enemies are
We bring light to this place. We'll be there.
Praise unto the Emperor.
We are yours.
Enemy killed.
Assault, move.
We have our task, brothers.
We are ready for we are thus commanded.
What foe in this place vexes you?
Bye-bye! Go help boss me, big pointy head!
Ours is lightning.
To reposition.
Assault terminators ready.
Aim a foe and see it slain.
Could have been cleaner!
Killed. Speed. Your order is quite clear.
Where shall we
Another
strike?
greenskin dead.
Strange machine.
Our voices are
We can cross now,
the
brothers.
storm.
Terminators do not hold. Fear is for foes of the Emperor.
Commander Storm. We are that storm. We'll pave the path to victory.
Command us. Enemy spot killed. Enemy killed. Target killed.
Where shall we strike? On the move.
What new orders?
Brothers, prepare for readiness.
This way, they guard!
Infantry in our kill zone!
Brothers, listen close.
Spear is advancing to engage. Enemy asset broken. Enemy forces by us.
Assault may thunder, herald us. Shields up.
Never doubt.
Assault terminators
Name a
ready.
foe and see it slain. Speak and see glory done. Ready. Hostiles killed out into the cries of our foes.
We are ready for you. Concussive strike.
Our enemies are
Listen close.
ready to jump. Priming jets. Ready to jump. Ready jump pack.
the fray! Face all challenges with fury. What new orders? Brothers, prepare for new orders. We're regrouped to a new position.
Assault Marines! Ready jump pack!
Learn us.
Under attack!
One more Ork dead.
Terminators, listen close. Assault terminate, the order is clear. Let us do it.
Proceeding downrange! Assault
We
Marines
are
under
ready for
attack!
what new orders? We face all challenges with fury.
No mercy! Infantry flank!
Teammates!
Counter orders, brothers!
Brothers, listen close. For your power.
Speak louder than the cries of others!
On the move.
I have met the enemy!
You mean? Oh, bloody hell, we gotta fast track this plan! I'm on my way!
Be gone!
Fire up, little future!
The Emperor guides us! Executing missiles!
I will not falter!
Where shall we strike?
Enemy clear! Tactical Marines ready!
Some terminators concussive strike.
Reporting target kill!
This day holds glory!
Terminators, listen close.
No escape!
Advancing to engage.
Taking infantry attack!
Brothers, what new orders?
My faith is my shield! Go ahead, command! Relocating!
Our enemies await death. Why did the mech run? What's his aim?
Sire, the Orks just powered on a tractor beam. Powerful enough to rip this world open.
That must be their goal. We must destroy that contraption. Hurry! We must reach the tractor beam. The trail led this way.
Thunder, our hands are lightning.
He who fights with me shall be my brother.
Our victory shall be ours. Your commands give shape to our fury.
Captain Master, I sent reinforcements, but they were dragged off course by the tractor beam. As I cannot risk any more drop pods, you must track their emergency beacons to gain reinforcements.
With fire in our hearts. We bring forging ahead. We are ready for orders.
Ready!
The gates is attacking the boys here! Okay, sword! Somebody get me the one gun!
Brothers, listen close.
Name a foe and see it slain!
Teammates! Second!
Enemy squad kill!
Where shall we throw the Emperor? Brothers, prepare for new shields up. Move.
We have our orders, brothers!
Assault Terminator.
Look out!
Into the fray.
The bridge is collapsing!
The nearer we get to the vault, the more unstable this place becomes.
Victory must be won.
Find another route! Our missing brothers. They're under
Where shall we
attack.
strike? Concussive strike. Listen, command us.
something pulled us off course.
We receive you.
Work of the Ork tractor
Your
beam.
order is quite clear.
Going now.
Terminators do not hold. Forces are thunder on our way. The order is clear. Let us do it. Brothers, listen close. Order received. Clear this area. Engage teleport. Onward into the Fire Emperor. Shields up. Move.
This is gaping on!
Where shall we? The order is clear. Let us do it.
Targeting Orks!
Dying is known. Something scattered my vessel. I feared I would not be of aid to you. Brothers, prepare for new orders. Fury. Regroup to a new position. We receive you. May thunder never doubt in us. Assault towers is lightning. We are ready for you.
This is bad! There's the mech! We're on the right path!
Assault terminators ready.
Can't catch me, humans!
Keep on the mech's trail!
I feared we would not make it to you. Something dragged us off course.
We have our task, brothers. We bring light origin ahead. Beasts as they can name a foe and see it slain.
Infantry slain.
Where shall we face all challenges with fury?
Terminate proceeding downrange.
Brothers, assault, move! Brothers, listen close.
I will not be gone!
Assault terminators ready to listen.
Blasted Xenos plucked us from the sky. I'll avenge that.
We are ready for ours is lightning.
This day holds glory!
I feared we would not make it to you. Something dragged us off course.
Brothers, prepare for new
Our enemies are make way! I will not
Speak, my lord.
Thank the throne. The Orks did something that pulled us from the sky.
Where shall we strike? May thunder herald us. Our moving now. You command a storm. We are that storm.
Eldar are here too.
We have purged the Ork. Assault to regroup to a new position.
More beacons from our lost reinforcements are in range.
Show us a target.
At least the Orks are impeding the Eldar.
Terminators.
No doubt.
No fear, no
junk humans!
We aren't so easily deterred.
How about a tournament to something tougher?
Face all challenges with fury.
Bye-bye, Uglies!
Terminators! Let them come money bombs! Executing missiles!
I understand.
Order, and shall see it done.
Take an enemy attack! This to battle! Back!
Name of termination! Understood!
Repositioning!
We have our orders, brothers!
Oh, I will ensure it! Let us do it!
Targets ahead! Die like vermin! This land will teem with their dead!
I will clear the way!
Advancing to engage! Mow them down! The enemies of man! Spill perform the cleansing!
My hammer will crush. Be gone! I fear no!
By stone or fist, they will die!
I'm targeting infantry!
My gratitude, Chapter Master. Something pulled us off course.
I will not. Understood.
What new orders? Fear is what
Our enemy. Another defeat for the Eldar.
Your order is quite an action. Cast your armor into the front position. We are your aid.
This day of setting forth to war.
Another challenge to us.
I will not.
New orders. Here by stone or fist. Prepare for new orders. Assault. Assault of this land will teem with their dead. Proceeding downrange. Enemy.
Something scattered my vessel. I feared I would not be of aid to you.
Fall before us.
Some emergency beacons are near your position.
Where? Shields up. Move.
Prepare your praise, then.
You command a storm. We are that. We are thus we will embark with fire in our hearts. We are the storm, thus stirred. Our voices are thunder.
Your commands give shape to our fury. Victory shall be
Tactical
ours.
Marine acknowledged. Victory must be won. On the move, seeking glory.
Our hammers do be well we there.
Our foes shall tremble.
We are navigating.
Fear is for foes of the
Carry out this plan.
Command us.
The victory shall be ours.
As quietly as this armor allows. Relocate.
Infiltration. We have the order, and shall see it done. Beware attackers. Risk comes. Command us.
The order is clear. Let us do it.
You have my favor and the Emperor.
So dark.
The time has come, Eldar. Understood. Command, we have our orders, brothers. Ours is naught but smoke now.
Enemy suffers.
Blasted Xenos plucked us from the sky. I'll avenge that. You have a foe only we can
Praise unto the order received. Ready. Moving.
Las Cannon team on the move.
Terminators do not halt. We bring on our way. Yes, it shall be as you command.
Our will pave the path to victory. Give me purpose. I shall excel.
Point me as you would have it. Leaving stealth. Make ready, brothers.
We are moving now.
We'll embark with fire. Forging ahead. Let her be moved to engage.
This is repositioning.
We clear this area.
Move, seeking glory.
Moving into concealment.
You're too late, Yumis! Beauty is going to bust open the vault! She's going to die!
Imbued by storm
thought
of
that.
fist, they will
Destroy the weapon. Acheron must remain sealed.
Terminators move out.
Regroup to a new position.
Leaving stealth.
Where shall we strike?
Exterminate the savages.
My gratitude, Chapter Master. Something pulled us off course.
Ours is lightning.
Speak. Moving now. Speak, and your faith in us will be rewarded. Tactical moving at 9. Tactical squad on your
Command a storm. We are that storm.
What new orders?
We are the storm.
Terminate the Emperor guides us.
On our way.
We resent never doubt in us. Speak, repositioning.
Brothers, listen close. On the move.
Master. The tractor beam has locked onto the Dauntless. We're on a crash course towards the Orks.
Orks. Eldar. They're innumerable.
Angelos, do you read? You need to get clear. We are readying an orbital bombardment on your position.
Inquisitor, do you have any idea what that will set in motion? They're fighting on the vault.
Get clear, Angelos, or die with our enemies.
Balthazar, we need an extraction before the Inquisitor drowns this place in fire.
I'll try, but our orbital elements are still in disarray.
Hurry! There are incoming Xenos now!
Gabriel! Orks are approaching from the east!
This is Gabriel.
Setting up! I am healed. Someone put into the fray! I stand no chance against the hero or that steel. Forever on. This world is yours to stand with me. I am ready to stand no chance against the hero or scatter and break. This dreadnought guides me to glorious war. Some calm shot doesn't strike. Terminators, listen close. We command. Let it rain. I serve forever. On.
The Orks are using the bridges to attack from the south!
Kill the Orks at the controls to keep the bridges drawn.
Finally, Thunderhawk is on its way. Thunderhawk inbound in 1 minute.
Our iron breeze.
Westward! Orks incoming!
This day, let us do it. I have a little trust in you.
The standard flies. Thunderhawk inbound, 30 seconds.
Into the Thunderhawk, now! Go! Launch!
ferociously before the gate to the altar of the spear, seeking to secure their master's claim to the weapon. Unbeknownst to the warriors below, Inquisitor Holt, unable to take possession of the spear, sought to preclude anyone from obtaining it, and indiscriminately unleashed his powerful orbital cannon on the armies below.
Eldar! Prophecy comes to pass! The way is open!
But the bombardment had consequences unforeseen by the Inquisitor, smashing the gate to the altar and opening the way to the spear. To Kaya, this was no accident, but the prophecy coming to pass.
Glory be to the chapter!
Gabriel did not make it out. You are to blame, Inquisitor.
He was warned. I was not going to waste the opportunity to fire. And because I fired, I stopped Gorguts. I stopped the Eldar.
You've stopped nothing, you fool. All you've done is open the way for Kaya.